So you're thinking about spraying texture on your walls and you're not sure what to do? Well, this video is going to go over how to simply spray orange peel texture on your wall. As you can see, I've already prepped the walls. What I like to do is after you smooth it out, you do a skim coat over it, you're going to sand it down and you're going to get it as smooth as possible. You don't have to be 100% perfect because you're going to be spraying texture on it. And again, it's just going to blend right in. The product I like using is Homax. This is not sponsored. This is just the product that I use all the time and I have no problems with it. And it's very DIY friendly. What I like to do, run it under hot water for about 60 seconds, and that allows the molecules to speed up and you're gonna get more product out of the can and it's gonna be a cleaner spray. On top, you have two different settings, the nozzle and the pressure. It's gonna allow you to change how much orange peel you're gonna shoot onto the wall. So step one, run it under water. Step two, shake it up for about 60 seconds. Step three, shoot it on the ground, shoot it behind the vanity, get a piece of cardboard, get an old piece of drywall so that way you can see how much pressure is gonna come out of it. So I'm just gonna hit it on the floor. And that first thing is gonna be really watery. And you're not gonna wanna shoot that onto the wall directly. So always make sure that first shot is in a garbage can, on the floor, wherever. Just don't put it on the spot that you're fixing because it's not gonna be great. And then I'm gonna fine tune the pressure. I want higher pressure and I want a smaller spray because I'm only gonna do a small orange peel on these walls. So this is where the vanity is gonna go. I'm gonna be able to use this as a little test practice area because I know it's gonna be behind a vanity and it's not gonna be seen. And I wanna make sure I get the right amount of orange peel on the wall before doing the rest of the bathroom. And I do like that consistency. I'm gonna make sure the pressure's up a little bit more. I'm gonna turn it down one more time. And that looks good. So now I'm gonna go and spray these walls and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to do. What I like to do, start from the top, work my way down. Always have a wet rag handy, so if you overspray something, you can wipe it right off. Let's get spraying. When spraying, make sure you're about a foot to a foot and a half away so that way it sprays evenly and you're not going to go in a pattern. You're going to go in all different directions so that way the texture on the wall has no defined pattern and it's easier to blend it in once you paint everything. Again, sorry about the shadow on the wall, but I got nowhere else to put this light. Always make sure to keep shaking it as you go. All right, already got a second one ready. Remember, first shot on the ground, cardboard, garbage can, don't put it on the wall. Test it out somewhere where you know you're going to be covered. That looks good right here. Let's continue. So now that we're at the stage of these two walls, our first coat is done. I like to go over and see if there's any spots that I kind of went light on, and I can shoot it again and kind of fill in those spots so that way we have an even amount of orange peel on this wall. Another thing that you could do is pick up the size of the orange peel on the second pass, because then that will give another even coat over this wall. But we're not, in this case, I'm not going to kick it up. I like the size of this orange peel, so I'm just going to make sure, like the light spots, I'm going to hit it again with this.
Now, again, you could go heavier than this. You could go lighter than this. You could just do a quick coat. I like to do it in between heavy and light. That's how simple it is to shoot orange peel onto your walls. Again, I'm using product Homax. It's never let me down. It's really great. Again, it's not sponsored, but go get it. Super simple to use if you're a DIYer. And again, if you're just doing a small bathroom, a patch job, maybe one wall, this is the route to go. You saw how simple it is to shoot on the wall, and the end result is going to be great. Let's see. For standard textures, it's saying allow 30 to 60 minutes to dry. I know in my past experience, do about 2 hours. Throw a fan in there, open up a window, get that air circulating so that way it becomes completely dry. Now, if you're doing a small patch job, of course, that's going to dry a lot quicker than if you textured a whole room like a bathroom. Once it's completely dry, don't forget to prime all the walls to make sure that everything is sealed correctly. And when you put your paint onto the wall, it doesn't even coat. The nice thing again about this product, it's water-based. So now I could go in and take a rag that's wet and just wipe it off the baseboards. Just like that. I hope this video helped out. If it did, leave a comment below. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thanks again for watching my video. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content, and as always, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.